Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I'm Dr. Mohanathanari. The channel fully focused on the biostatistics and data visualization related video post on this channel. If you like the channel video, click to the subscription button and support to me. Join to our channel membership. Okay, let's go to the video section. Now we are the discussion topic for the interpretation of ordinal logistic regression in RStudio. How to analyze ordinal logistic regression in RStudio. That video already published in our channel. That video link mentioned to this video description box. And the continue part of the interpretation of ordinal logistic regression in R. An ordinal logistic regressions models was used to assess the association between blood pressure category, normal, pre-hypertension and hypertension, and the predictor age and gender. The model includes age as a continuous variable and gender as a binary variable. Female as the reference category, code as 0 and male as 1. Model coefficients. The regression coefficients are presented in the table below. The predictor and estimated value, the standard error value and the t-value present for the model coefficients table. The coefficients of the age beta, this is a estimated value 0.02 and p higher than 0.05 is a t-value, and gender, the beta value for estimated 0.39 and the t-value 0.05 indicate that the neither predictor was statistically significant in explain variation in blood pressure category. Specifically, age had a simple positive non-significant effect, suggesting that an increase in age may slightly increase the odds of being in the higher blood pressure category, although this result is not statistically significant. Similarly, the coefficients for male gender indicate that the male are more likely to have higher blood pressure compared to females, but this effect was also not significant. The intercept represents the threshold between the blood pressure category in the table. The normal to blood pre-hypertensions, the estimated value 0.73 and standard error value 1.75, the t-value 0.41. The pre-hypertensions to hypertensions, the estimated value 2.15, the standard error value 1.79, the t-value 1.19. Those threshold describe the cut points on the Latin scale separating the categories. The wide confidence interval and non-significant t-value suggest that the boundaries between the category are not well defined. The model fit. The residual deviations of the model fit was 65.13 and the Akai information criticisms AIC was 73.13. Those values can be used to compare this model to others. However, the relatively high deviations and risk of the lack of significance of predictors suggest the model may not accurately explain the data. The next one table for the model coefficients. The predictor present for the age and gender male. The odds value for the age 0.44 and interpretation of the age. The each additional year of age describes the odds of being in a higher blood pressure category by approximately 55.3%. Gender male, the odds value 0.57. Male have 43% lower odds of being in a higher blood pressure categories compared to the female. The odds ratio indicate the effect of each predictor on the likelihood of transitioning to a higher blood pressure category. Both a gender show a protective effect which age and being male associated with lower orders of having higher blood pressure. The threshold table, the present the value and intercept for the table. The normal to pre-hypertension's value 0.98. The threshold on the latent scale between the normal and the pre-hypertensions. The pre-hypertensions to hypertensions the value 0.82. Threshold on the latent scale between the pre-hypertensions and hypertensions. The threshold represents the cut point on the latent scale that separate the blood pressure category. The interpretation, the findings suggest that age and gender are associated with the likelihood of belonging to the different blood pressure category. Specifically, age, older individuals are less likely to transition to higher blood pressure category. The gender males are less likely to have higher blood pressure compared to the female. Those results highlight the potential productive effect of age and gender in this data. However, the lack of additional statistical metrics such as confidence interval and p-value limits the ability to determine whether those findings are statistically significant. The limitations of ordinal logistic regressions, the study may be limited by the absence of confidence interval or significant test, which restricts the ability to make inference about the broader populations. Further research should include those metrics to confirm the observed trends and validate the model's robustness. The conclusion of the ordinal logistic regression in RStudio. The ordinal logistic regressions analyzed provide insight into the factor associated with blood pressure categories, the normal, pre-hypertension and hypertensions, while the predictors such as age and gender were included in the models. Their effect on the likelihood of transmitting between the blood pressure category were not statistically significant, as indicated by the t-value and associated coefficients. The threshold between the categories suggests the boundaries on the latent scale, but the wide confidence intervals highlight the need for a larger and more derived samples to the refine to the model. Overall, this study underscores the importance of the incorporating additional predictors and exploring the potential interactions to better understand the determinant of the blood pressure in various populations. Further studies should aim to address these limitations to improve the predictive power and applicability of the models. Okay, if you any doubt on this interpretation of the ordinal logistic regression in RStudio, leave me the comments in the comment box. I will reply to within 24 hours. If you support our channel, join to our channel membership and click to the subscription button. Thank you for watching this video.